Did you know that a single avocado has more potassium than a banana? This fact amazed me. It made me think about my daily food choices. What was I eating that was truly nourishing my body? I realized I needed a change. That's when I began to explore the power of avocados. Could this creamy green fruit really be a game changer? I decided to find out. My journey to better health was about to begin, one avocado at a time. Adding an avocado to my daily diet seemed simple enough. I started by incorporating it into my meals in easy ways. Avocado toast for breakfast was a delicious start. Salads became more satisfying with creamy avocado slices. I even experimented with avocado smoothies. Each day brought a new opportunity to enjoy this versatile fruit. Little did I know, my body was already starting to feel the benefits. Like many people, I struggled with healthy eating habits. It was a constant battle between what I knew was good for me and what I craved. Processed foods and sugary snacks often found their way into my diet. They were convenient, tasty, and always within arm's reach. My energy levels were unpredictable, and I felt sluggish more often than not. The afternoon crashes were the worst, making it hard to stay focused and productive. I knew I needed a sustainable solution, not another fad diet. I wanted something that would last, something that would become a part of my lifestyle. The avocado challenge wasn't always easy. Incorporating avocados into my meals required planning and creativity. There were times when I craved unhealthy snacks. The temptation was real, and it took a lot of willpower to resist. But I reminded myself of my goals. I kept a journal to track my progress and wrote motivational notes to keep myself on track. I wanted to feel better, have more energy, and improve my overall health. Regular exercise became a part of my routine, complementing my new eating habits. The avocado was my secret weapon. Its versatility and health benefits made it a staple in my diet, helping me stay committed to my goals and feel better every day. Green smoothies and unexpected changes. One of the most significant changes I made was incorporating avocado smoothies into my morning routine. It started as an experiment, but quickly became a staple in my diet. The creamy texture of the avocado blended perfectly with spinach, creating a smooth and rich base for the smoothie. Adding banana brought a natural sweetness, while almond milk added a nutty flavor and made the smoothie even creamier. It was a refreshing and surprisingly filling way to start the day. Each sip felt like a burst of energy and health. Within days, I noticed a difference. My mornings were no longer sluggish. I felt a newfound vitality. I felt lighter and more energized throughout the morning. My workouts improved, and I had more stamina. My cravings for sugary snacks diminished. Instead of reaching for a cookie or a candy bar, I found myself satisfied with my green smoothie. I realized that the healthy fats and fiber in avocados were keeping me full and satisfied. This simple change had a profound impact on my overall well-being, making me feel more balanced and in control of my diet. The turning point, a burst of energy. There was a pivotal moment in my avocado journey that solidified my commitment to this lifestyle change. I was hiking with friends and I surprised myself with my newfound stamina. In the past, I would have struggled to keep up, but on this day, I felt strong and energized. I knew that the consistent avocado consumption was making a difference. Embracing a healthier lifestyle. Eating avocados daily has transformed my life in more ways than I could have imagined. I have more energy, my skin glows, and I feel lighter and healthier overall. This small addition to my diet has had a profound impact on my well-being. Incorporating avocados into my meals has not only improved my physical health, but also my mental clarity. I find myself more focused and productive throughout the day. This simple change has inspired me to make healthier choices in all aspects of my life. From selecting fresh produce at the farmer's market to preparing nutritious meals at home, I am more conscious of what I consume. I encourage you to embark on your own avocado adventure. Start by adding this superfood to your diet and observe the positive changes it can bring. You might be surprised by the positive changes it can bring. Not only will you feel better physically, but you may also notice improvements in your mood and overall outlook on life. Share your experiences with friends and family. Encourage them to join you on this journey towards better health. Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives. By making small changes and supporting one another, we can create a community of wellness. What other life-changing foods are waiting to be discovered? Explore, experiment, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.